Hello guys, let me show you the results for today. Not all the days are profitable. Today is 3rd August, and as you can see on Goldie Razor version 2 I have minus $70. If you take a look at the trades, you will notice that when Asia start my time, I had a negative trade here, minus $30, and so far I'm negative on version 2. Now let me show you also on Goldie Razor version 2.8.5. I have 30 trades. I have an active trade right now. Probably it will end up in profit, but as you can see here, I have also minus $6. Today for me it is a bad day, but it's no problem. I will recover tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. If I will look at the calendar, usually in a day like this it will not I will not have problems, but sometimes, as you can see, I cannot do anything about it. So it's a losing day. I'm not worried at all. Thank you very much guys. Bye bye.